You can access the library catalog for the senior school by going to the school's homepage and scrolling down to Jeju Stories and clicking on Senior School Library. The Destiny Discover homepage shows links for popular titles, recently added books, topics, collections, and learning links, which are links to subscription databases such as JSTOR and EBSCO, along with other digital content. For usernames and passwords for learning links, contact your teacher or a member of the library staff. Collections include digital resources by key stage. You can conduct a simple search from the Destiny homepage by using author, title, or subject terms. I'm going to do a search for the subject term dogs. I would like to filter my results to show me which books are currently available in the library by going to Availability and clicking on In. Next, I would like to select books that have AR quizzes associated with them. I can go to Accelerated Reader and put in my ZPD range. I see that there are 57 results for books about dogs in my ZPD range in the library currently. If I want more information about one of these books, I can click on the hyperlink. There are other filtering options, such as author or publication date. In addition to books, you can also access a large variety of digital resources under Collections and Open Educational Resources. If you have any questions or need help with using the library catalog, please contact a member of the library staff.